So went with 1.5 inches. We mounted the FJ spare up here with the fender on just to see our clearances of the fenders. We're going to have to cut fenders. Don't look like we're going to have to, but the tire was touching the side of the trailer.
Gotta pack it down in there. Gotta get it in there.
Oh, everything's in the way. This is what we're putting on here. TRD Style Pro wheels with a 275/70/17 tire. Okay guys, we have got this side mounted up. This is temporarily here. I was trying to get some wheel and tire spacing. We got our 3 holes drilled, bolted in, have our 4-inch lift spindle. We're getting ready to do the other side, so we're going to show you kind of how that's done, how we did all this. You'll have to excuse the mess. This is work in progress, but got this kind of jacked up, got some clamps holding it. It's kind of, I don't know, shady. But we've got to get measurements now. I've got a plumb bob up there up front on the tongue. I'm going to measure from that to here and then measure the other side. I did that one, but I got to make this one match that side. This is the center of our trailer spindle here. We're close, but we're going to measure that side, get it exact, and then hit that plumb bob, come over here with the tape, move this backwards or forward to match that side. We got our distances measured out. Now we're going to mark our holes. Alright. Now we're going to get this down, drill. We have to drill through the frame on both of them, all 3 holes. Okay guys, we got our holes drilled. We got these mounted. I just want to show you a little thing we did under it. We've got to torque these to torque settings. I cut a little 1/8 inch steel plate to make as a washer to beef up this area. Drilled the holes in it, and this thing's stout. It's here, feels good. We'll come back in, and some of this has come off. We'll touch this up to where it won't rust on us. It tells you your torque settings right there for those bolts. Then we'll be ready to get our bearings packed, and we've run a little light today too during the process. Got new lights put on. Been a lot of work. We're getting there. Another thing we worked on today was getting a 7-pin plug. We're gonna get this mounted to the hitch, but I was gonna show you this. It's kind of like a junction box. It came with this pigtail. You can order it in different lengths, but I can just run this wire. I bought just some generic cable wire. It comes with these clamps that hold it in there. I'm gonna run this on back, but just wanted to show you. It's like I'll be spreading this guy out, but it's kind of nice. It's got the brakes and everything. It's color coded. I think it's gonna make wiring this thing a little simpler. We got these guys we're gonna run over. If I want to run those in, you've got multiple ports here and cables holders. This one don't have a cable holder, but these 2 in the back does, and this one's the factory when it came like that. So just progress is being made. We've got all the axle stuff mounted. We're fixing to get this done. I'm gonna take this back off, make another to catch these 2 bolts. I'm gonna mount a similar 1/8 inch piece of 1.5 inch thick metal down here to support this tongue and this weight, just instead of just running washers. This stuff's not 1/4 inch thick. So we just want to stiffen all this up since we're bolting it and not welding it. And then we'll run 2 in this way after we get these 2 done. This is one of those hitches that 360-degree articulates. It runs on a pin so it can do all that business while we got it overlanding. Got a special guest with us tonight, the Markam Life. He's going to try to get these bearings ready. He likes getting his hands dirty, greasing stuff up, but we got to get this bearing put in and the seal put in. Then we're going to mount this guy up.
Yeah.
Ooh, mosquitoes are out. I've got to tighten down these bolts that hold this guy on to the drum. Got a couple more to add to it.
Gotta pack it down in there. Gotta get it in there. Lord have mercy.
Excuse me. Alright.
That's good.
Stick the bearing in there.
Like this way or this way? Pretty sure this way.
Correct.
That makes sense. Yep. Oh, cat. Get away.
Well, don't clean your hands.
Oh, I know. I got another one.
Go and get you a glob of grease. I'll work on getting a seal put in.
Alright. The old glob.
It's fine. Slippery.
Yeah.
Yeah. They make a tool that comes up in a nice rod and a flat surface that you just sit on top of that and hammer it in, but we don't have one of those.
Nope.
So we're using a 1 7/8, 3/4 inch drive socket.
Yeah. I work with what you got.
Yeah. It's more like pressing.
Oh yeah. I'm
Okay.
pressing on it.
All right.
It's getting packed in there.
Okay. We ran into an issue. These are trailer thread hubs. Well, guess what don't fit them? A factory FJ lug nut. And we're going with a stock Toyota wheel. That'll be in the next video. So, to fix that, I ordered some wheel spacers, which was kind of like a blessing in disguise because I needed it anyway. So we mounted up the FJ's spare tire the other day. We ordered these KSPs. Milk Outdoors shared with me these were probably some of the best ones around for Toyota wheels, Toyota guys. We ordered the KSPs. They overnighted them. Didn't ask them to. It's one of them Amazon things. They're supposed to be some of the cool, best in the business, and they got an FJ on the front. I mean, who could ask for anything better? However, they come with their own bolts that are made to fit and kind of center up that guy. We're not having that pleasure because this would fit a factory Toyota stud, but these are trailer studs. So I'm going to use these trailer lug nuts to hold this guy in here. They're centering. That's domed in there, and it's centered it up pretty good. What this is going to do though is get rid of my trailer stuff and let me go with a factory Toyota thread pitch for our lug nuts. So we went with 1.5 inches. We mounted the FJ spare up here with the fender on just to see our clearances of the fenders. We're going to have to cut fenders. Don't look like we're going to have to, but the tire was touching the side of the trailer. So that was a hurdle we ran into, and these were, I was looking at tire sizes, offsets of the wheels, which offset could I order to get the wheel, you know, I would need like a negative offset to push the wheel out away from this. I mean, it was touching it, but I got the lug nuts on and tight. So we're thinking this will fix several problems. I go back to a Toyota stud and I get my tire off my trailer. Boom, done. So they do recommend Loctite. It came with some kind of cheap red Loctite that I couldn't even get out of the bottle, so I went with what I've been using on the hardware anyway. They're real specific about the bolt pattern on this, the tightening sequence. I'll show you guys that. I'm impressed with these things though. They're nice. Seem to be made well. Excuse the neighbors. They're firing off a few guns, which I don't mind, as long as the bullets ain't coming my way. But it helps the passerbyers know that people out here in the country are armed and dangerous. Don't be fooling around out here. Right, Cam?
Yeah.
I do have to show off one of Cam's. I'm just leaving this loose, like I'm just barely letting this thing float. That was another issue this solved. Was this trailer did not have my Toyota factory wheel hub centric. All it was flat. So pretty much the load was going to be carried on these studs here. Now we've got our hub centric going for the factory wheel, which is A-okay. Cam, show them that t-shirt you're wearing. We're proud of that thing. Mama ordered it for me for my birthday. Tyler, Independence Overland. Tyler, if you order some of his gear, it runs a little small. It fit Cam really well.
Yeah. But
it's made of very good material.
Yeah,
Colors are holding up. So Mama's, I guess my next birthday I might get one.
I don't know, I have to wait and see.
If y'all haven't watched Tyler at Independence Overland on YouTube, he is an exceptional YouTuber. Learned a lot from him. And he does a lot of good gear review. He lives in Colorado, so his content's a whole lot better than ours ever will be. I mean, daggone. You can just walk out the front door and make a video. We gotta drive a little bit here. Okay, all those are just cinched up. You're gonna need a pry bar. It says 1, 2. Tighten the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, gonna put it on this side. Torque sequence, what you told, buddy? That's the torque sequence.
Yeah, get around here.
It's a little confusing when you look at their little chart as to which. I'm going with 85 foot-pounds. That was kind of like in the middle. We're going to have to swap sides with you, Bubba. Three. We gotta get this guy, but little crowbar's out the way. Help me keep an eye on one there, son.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kind of a strange tightening sequence.
No, it's what you do with the circle.
Oh,
so you tighten the circle that way.
Yeah. Good point. But it's still.
Wait till you run across something to me at work that's got like 82 bolts. You gotta tighten the sequence. It's not fun.
But it ain't.
All right, we're greased, hubbed, we're ready for fenders. All right, friends, we're gonna call that a day worth of work. Please stay tuned to the channel so I can show you how we finish this up. This is our kayaking Overland Kayak hauler trailer build. We're gonna have a lot of information for you guys coming up. We've got our campaign around showing the hitch. We got that guy mounted, he's on. We've got our hubs, our independent suspension. I've got a 2x2 tubing coming to cross over to the other side. A lot more wiring to do. We've got a jack we picked up, Harbor Freight Special. We're gonna get that on. Anyway, if you like our content, like and subscribe. We're simple men having a lot of fun. Just want to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching.